Everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to enable Messenger chat heads. So first of all, what you have to do is simply go to your Messenger application. Now at the top left corner you can see a three-line icon. Simply tap on that. Now what you have to do is simply tap on the gear icon, right? Now scroll down and you can see an option under preferences section. You will see chat heads option. Simply what you have to do is tap on it and it will show an interface like this. Now all you have to do is tap on go to settings, right? Tap on go to settings and now just wait for a while till your phone loads the applications. Now scroll down and you will find the application that is called Messenger. Simply tap on Messenger and then tap this allow display over other apps option on. Simply turn it on, go back and it will be turned on. So there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Comment down your thoughts and until then, goodbye.